I had to make an emergency landing, and I don't know what happened.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just really, I guess, like, nervous, but
Is the airplane okay?
the airplane is fine. I landed on the active road. I'm on this side of, I pulled off into the grass safely.
You landed on the highway?
Not on the highway, I guess it's the one next to it. I'm in the grass. I'm technically still at Oshkosh. Like, I'm on the grass, but what happened was they launched me right after, I forgot what his name was, the Mike, and I was doing a slow flight behind him, and all of a sudden I went full throttle, and all of a sudden I'm like, it sounds really quiet all of a sudden, and it just starts like getting a lot quieter, and then I'm like, okay, I'm descending, and I'm like really close to the power lines, and like, yeah, I'm really close to the power lines, and I'm not getting any power. I can't climb, so then I'm like, I have to land, and I just picked the road. I'm completely fine. I didn't hit anything. I landed on the road. People gave me space. I'm on the side of the road.
Okay. Alright, we'll get you.
Okay.
Alright, love you.
I don't know what happened, but like when we took off that one time, I don't know. I went full throttle. It sounded normal, and then all of a sudden it went, and then it was like, and then also when I tried to cut off the airplane, I had to put the choke on for it to actually work. It wouldn't turn off on its own. Like, I put all the switches back to turn it off. Okay. Well, I'm trying to explain what happened, like why, and also like some of the weird things.
Yeah, but we just can't carry your safe right now. She's okay and she's on the ground. Yeah, I gave a couple
Okay. Bye. What the heck just happened? Are you kidding me? Okay. Like, the choke is on because otherwise this thing's running. That's off. That's off. Literally nothing else. That's off too. Like, what else could I have done that could have been my problem?